Howdy guys, Ethan with Family Handyman. I just got to test out the Hart Brushless Reciprocating saw. Let me tell you what I liked about it. Doesn't matter if you're a DIYer or a professional, a reciprocating saw is a must-have tool. This Hart Reciprocating saw is a great value and full of a lot of features. Let's go over a few. One of the features I really like is the variable speed trigger. Also has a lock on it. Another feature I like is the blade change lever, which allows you to change out a blade easily with gloves or in cold conditions. Another thing I like is the LED work light. It's great for working in dark places or in a crawl space. The combination of value and power make the Hart Reciprocating saw an awesome tool. The 20-volt battery helped me get through PVC, metal, branch piles, demoing a wall, doesn't matter, got through it. The three things, power, value, and lightweight, easy to use compactness make this tool handyman approved. For more products we've tested and improved, visit familyhandyman.com.